Oh, I needed to wash my hands. Welcome back, guys. You joined me for another video today. Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't see my last video, just done the full brake chain, disc pad and wear sensor change on the front of the car. So yeah, while I was doing that, I noticed I had a massive great pond below the scuttle panel where the brake fluid reservoir is situated. This is a really common problem. The drain plugs get blocked, and on E90s for instance, ECUs are sitting in that area. So yeah, really pays to check. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to get to that, and it involves taking off this, and it's situated up here is where this puddle is, and it runs down and out the bottom here. I don't know if you can see on the floor there, there is actually a slight drip puddle, so it's trying to get through. So let's get this off and have a look. So I don't know if you can see here on the camera, but there's water coming through now, and that's because just up here it's actually a little rubber and it's full. Let me see if I can access it. It's full of rubbish basically. So what we can do is clear it from the bottom, and then we can then flush from the top. I don't know how flimsy this is going to be, but well, there we go. Yep, so you can just see it just there. It's a little rubber bung, and I'm just putting my finger up there, and yeah, gross. Nice. There you go, and it's away. I've just caused a raging torrent of water. Nice. Oh, I needed to wash my hands. As you can see, it's absolutely pouring out now. So down there, the actual drain plug is situated underneath the vacuum reservoir. So if you put your fingers under there, you'll feel like a little hole in the bulkhead, and that runs down to that little rubber chute. So yeah, what I recommend doing now, once it's drained, is clear it out as best you can with a hoover, and then just run clean water down there just to flush anything out. Alright, so I'm just trying to clear out anything that's down here. Just a load of rubbish, leaves, rotten stuff. It's horrible. I apologise if you find anything down here that you know that you're scared of, i.e. spiders and stuff. And then what I do is just drop some water down there. So I just want to show you guys, I've pulled it out. It's just here. So it sits just down here underneath this. And yeah, and this end piece on the right angle is just prone to blocking. So yeah, you can take it out and then put it back in again. I'm just going to flush it one more time. And there you go, guys. So that's all flushed. What I'll do now is I'll pop the cap back in, and yeah, we'll bolt everything back up again. I'll show you the bottom half again, and then I'll show you how to pull this off in more detail. Sorry, put it back on, shall I say, in more detail, because obviously, you know, I didn't show you the best angle in the brake video. So yeah, let's do that now. So I don't know if you can see that, guys. It's literally, the hole is just here. It's just like a little grommet. There you go. And that just hangs down like that. All done. Right, swing that back into place. Like so. Right, so they're all bolted up. Move back up to the top. Right, so obviously I'm just going to make sure the cap's all done up tight from the brake change, which is fine. Make sure this sensor is out of the way, because that you need that on top, not on the bottom. This then swings over, and with a bit of jiggling, like that. One, two. Right, that's in, that's in, that's in. That's in. Happy days. Alright, need that. Put that together like that. Seal back on. Pollen filter back in. Put that back in. Close the bonnet. Job's a good one. Down she goes. So there you go guys, that's how you clear the drain plug out on an E61, E60. As I said, check it, please do, because A, it will just rust, put a massive hole in your bulkhead, could potentially come over into your interior, or rust your brake system. So yeah, check it now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and comment down below, and drop us a little subscribe if you fancy watching some more. Take it easy, have a nice weekend.